Hey folks, how about a banana cream pie? I know I said I was going to work on recipes from the Depression and stuff. We will. But had a sweet tooth for banana cream pie. Like banana pudding, same ingredients, just made different. So, I'd like to show you how I make my banana cream pie. But before we get started, you know this is Billy T Gardens in the kitchen. And I know I've been late on my videos here lately. I've been missing, but a lot of stuff going on at home. I'll get caught back up. Don't you worry, I'll get there, my friends. If you guys don't mind, see if you subscribed. If not, please do that. Helps me so much. And please hit the thumbs up, the like. Let the algorithm know you like our content so it gets pushed more. I'd sure appreciate that.